like to give a brief tour of the Motec system installed on this car, hopefully to motivate someone to choose this over the competition. First part that we're seeing, what you've probably seen in prior videos, is the C127 display. Now what's nice about this is it's completely customizable. I basically gave the team a drawing of where I thought different gauges could be, and they made it happen. We've got lambda from both sides of the motor, fuel pressure with a digital readout, boost pressure with a digital readout, turbo speed from each individual turbo, a G-force meter, and horsepower. Your gear position sensor is in the middle, so if we were to shift really quick, it tells you you're in first. And back to neutral. On the bottom, you have various displays, or various statuses, so what boost gear, or what boost you've selected, traction control map you've selected, the tire size you're running, the boost pressure we talked about, ethanol percentage, and nitrous. So the way this would work is if you change the boost setting, it'll tell you which mode you have selected. You can change the page. You can change the page for various diagnostics. This one being pressures and temperatures. Press it again. And we have more pressures, wheel speed sensors. This came in handy when I started getting service ABS warnings. Turned out to be one of the front wheel speed sensors was incorrect. It also gives you live data from various sensors like the strain gauge. So if you're pulling on the lever, it tells you you're activating it. That's all controlled through this. It's called the Rotary control. So you press that and we're back to our main page. Other controls for it come from this CAN keypad. Various buttons to control various features. Nitrous is all color coded. The stickers themselves come from a mix of Motec, Holley, and just what I could find on Amazon. They also have a bit of feedback, so if you change the boost setting, it gives you various lights. Traction control, if you press and hold, will tell you it's off. Red for dead. And green for go. Well, the car just wants to kill me now. So, there it is. Green for go. And launch control. Make all those sick flames. Down here, again with that rotary keypad, if you were to press the traction control button, actually press and hold, it lets you select how much traction control. We'll go back to 4. And that is programmed and dictated within the software itself. So over here we can see the settings, basically what traction control you're using, how much % slip it's allowing, and there's basically a setting for everything. The guys at GSPEED are pretty transparent. You can make changes yourself, though I wouldn't recommend it because I don't know what I'm doing. But it is helpful to try and diagnose little problems that come here and there with a car that's complicated. And then if it's something beyond what I can figure out, they remote in and take care of it. The last couple bits, you probably saw there's a shift light built in here. Traction control, when activated, illuminates these lights. The whole thing will turn white to tell you there's a problem and give you an idea of what's going wrong. As a message, the car itself, a power distribution module, a PDM, what they'll call, and think of it like a fuseless fuse box, and basically it's monitoring if a circuit's working properly, if there's proper amperage. It can give you an idea for diagnostics. It also made rearranging these buttons pretty easy to suit my preferences. The shift light is also mirrored here, and you can see that on the windshield. The last bit of controls come from the steering wheel itself, and you've got smoke, or that's the line lock button to warm up the rear tires, and then my favorite, the rolling anti-lag button. Here's a quick demonstration of it. So, that is a quick overview of Motec in a C6 Corvette. If you have questions, leave a comment. If you guys like this kind of stuff, I can make plenty of videos like it. Thanks.